supposed to be? I got too impatient and I built it when I was sick of the wool. Ooh, ew! Where did the sound of the block actually gross me out? Oh my gosh, that felt like when you touch something and it's slimy, but you don't expect it to be slimy. I thought it was glass. I was anticipating the shattered glass sound, which is pretty satisfying. But it was a honey block. It was a slimy sound that actually gave me the reaction of when you touch something slimy when you don't expect it. Oh no. The honey jump scare. I was expecting that sound. Ooh. Ooh. Usually I kind of like the sound of honey. The honey blocks. But this time, ooh. Ooh.